Good morning to one and all present here. That is my dear respected judges, teachers and my dear friends. I am Sadia Tasneem, student of Elite High School studying in 8th standard. We all worked on this Balajanagraha project. I am the head of my team and they all are my team members. I am very glad to say that I have got an opportunity to speak few points on urban planning. After hearing all the tough problems faced by the people in all the areas, urban planning puts a light upon the problems. Urban planning is the plan for the future. We make sure that the city is planned according to the needs of the future. The essential part of urban planning is road.
Ward number is 116. We have taken RK Garden South Cross Street. It is 52.65 meters in length.
Excuse me, there is a lot of background noise. We cannot hear what they are saying. They are very soft spoken.
Our ward number is 116. We have taken RK Garden South Cross Street. It is 52.65 meters in length. The road is not uniform, so we took the breadth of the starting and end of the road. The breadth of the starting road is 2.80 meters, that is 3 meters, and the breadth of the end of the road is 2.50 meters. Though the road is narrow and small, it is facing by many problems.
Yes, the road is facing many problems. It consists a lot of mud, stone and filled with garbage. The street has only one street light. After 8 o'clock, the people cannot walk on the road. Even though there is one street light, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. In an emergency, the road is narrow. If anything happens like ambulance, fire brigade, find it very difficult to come to that area. In rainy season, the road is very slushy. There is no proper security for the residential people. After hearing all these problems, there should be some solution.
The road should be developed with tar or concrete. There should be at least 2 to 3 streetlights provided. In emergency, the road should be broadened so that in emergency, if anything happens for the residential people, the ambulance and fire brigade can come in easily.
Upside down.
Yeah. If the road is developed properly, when it rains, it won't be slushy and people won't hurt themselves. There should be security provided for the residential people. We met our corporator, Mr. Lokesh Nayak, and he suggested his opinions.
Our cooperator was very happy by seeing us and our problem on our project, and he was very pleasant to hear the problem whichever we present in front of him, and he assured us that very soon the road will be developed and electric poles will be installed, and he assured and he gave us a chart, and we want to share our experience with you as we were doing the project.
During the project, we felt very happy that we are helping to others. We were very much excited while measuring the roads and interviewed the people who are residing there. We enjoyed the moment when we are going to ask the problem of each houses. It was a great pleasure for us. We want to conclude this by saying some slogans and jingles.
Bags of garbage, lying on the street, makes the environment tidy, pick them up. Let's go green to get our group clean.
The harder you work, the luckier we get.
Save the water, it will save you later.
Less pollution is the best solution.
Oh, sewage and drainage, यहाँ आना ना दोबारा, अब तुम तो हुए परदेसी, के तुम्हारा यहाँ कोई नहीं, ले जा DCs and garbage and all dirty things, अब तुम तो हुए परदेसी, के तुम्हारा यहाँ कोई
student of Lighthouse School studying in 8th standard. Heartily thanks for those people who had started this program and had given any opportunity for our school. We would also thanks for Miss Mahalakshmi, who comes and coaches us about me and my city. And heartily thanks for our school management and teacher who had really helped us doing Baljanagraha project. We would also thanks a lot for all of you. Thanks once.